Our latest home air conditioner includes advanced air purification technologies. Even our indoor air can contain many pollutants, including viruses, bacteria, allergens like pollen, and tiny particles that can be harmful. Not to mention odours, including chemically harmful ones like formaldehyde found in some furniture products. Fortunately, Hitachi-airHome includes up to 4 integrated air purification technologies for enhanced effectiveness. Firstly, a pre-filter reduces the amount of large particles entering the system. Next, an air purification filter removes smaller particles, viruses, bacteria and allergens. Then, our unique frost wash technology reduces transmission of pollutants through the heat exchanger by freezing them, melting them and washing them away so they don't get into the airstream. Finally, focusing on any remaining pollutants in the air outside the unit, Active Ion emits harmless charged ion particles into the air in your room, which bind to pollutants, neutralizing them. This unique combination of technologies is up to 99.9% effective on viruses, including SARS-CoV-2, 99% effective on bacteria, up to 86% effective on odors, including formaldehyde, and up to 97.1% effective on allergens. So, with Hitachi-airHome, you get an air conditioner and air purifier in one. Hitachi-airHome. AC for people who don't want to think about AC.